Here's a basic example of what a highly converting carousel advert looks like when it comes to dropshipping in 2022. Firstly, you'll see that we have a few lines of text best describing the product, along with our offer at the bottom and letting the customer know that we offer free worldwide shipping, as well as some emojis relating to the text to make it more visually pleasing. Slide 1 shows the 5 different variants of the product along with our logo, a 70% off price tag, and white and black text on a transparent gold rectangle stating 70% off sale ends today. Slide 2 shows that the product comes with different length attachments, letting the customer know that they can trim with precision accuracy to any hair length or style. Slide 3 shows that we can charge a trimmer easily via USB and state that it has a powerful motor. As you can see, the text is a mesh of white and gold and has been positioned in the space above the product image. Slide 4 displays the key features of the product in a bullet point format inside a transparent gold rectangle so you can still see the product in the background. You might notice the company logo has also been positioned in the corner of each slide to give it a more branded feel. Slide 5 is a final reminder that the 70% off sale ends today and to shop now as the user has come to the end of the ad. As you can see, the text has been carefully placed inside 2 transparent gold rectangles matching the angle of the product. But since launching this ad, I've managed to achieve a cost per click of around 25p, a cost per add to cart of around £3 and a cost per sale of around £10, resulting in another profitable dropshipping store soon ready to scale. I hope you liked this. If you did, like the video, follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel where there's a link in my bio. I recently released an in-depth case study on the product which generated me nearly $500,000 in sales, so check it out if you're interested in that. But otherwise, thanks guys, and I'll see you very soon.